Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the candle colors in MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MT5 app. And now as you can see here, I have these two colors, the green and the red. Okay. So to change them, just click on your chart, any place, then click on this icon here, the setting. Now scroll down until the end and you will see here colors. Click on it. And now you have to change bar up, bar down, bull candle, and bear candle. Okay. So bear up and bull candle, they have to have the same color. And bar down and bear candle also the same color. So let's change them. So for bear up, I will choose, for example, black, and bull candle also black. We have here bar down. I will choose, for example, this color. And I will go also to bear candle and I will choose the same color. Now click on save. Let's go back. And as you can see, the colors has been changed. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.